Here's how to make absolutely no progress in the gym in 5 easy steps. Number 1, not going to failure. You pick up the weight and you're like, my vagina hurts, my bicep is burning a little bit, and I have like 5 more reps in the tank, but it hurts, so I'm gonna drop the weight. If you train like that, you're gonna go absolutely nowhere. Congratulations. Don't do this. Don't only not go to failure on like bench press, squat, or deadlift. What you need to do is literally not go to failure on every single lift. Right? Your biceps are hurting just a little bit, drop the weight. Show everyone how big of a vagina you have. Next, number 2, doing too much volume. You be like a nerd and like, well, according to this study, there's actually the optimal rep range is 10 to 20 sets. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do 20 sets because more is better, right? I'm going to do that and I'm going to make so much progress. That is completely correct. You want to make no progress in the gym? Go do that. Don't, go to failure. Don't be intense and only do 2 sets per day. Let's say you work out a muscle 3 days a week and you do 2 sets each time. High intensity going to failure, lifting heavy weight, making for 6 sets a week. That's wrong, obviously. That is way too little volume in order to make no progress. You need to make no progress here. Bump up the volume. Do like 15 reps. Barely even go to failure. 5 to 6 sets of bicep curls a day. 3 times a week. That's not even enough, actually. You need to make no progress. Do more volume. Lower the intensity. 3, not tracking progress. Just go into the gym or go into your home gym and just get your weights and just lift them around. Well, I'm doing some bicep curls today, and then I'm going to do some overhead press, and then I'm going to bench a little bit, and yeah, whatever, that's it. That is a great way to make no progress. That's a great way to plateau. And then who knows, maybe then, you will then start using steroids. Number 4, constantly switching movements. You go on YouTube, you're nerding out. Maybe even nerding out to this video, and you're just nerding out like, alright, well, this guy said this movement is the best for chest, and this guy said this move is best for chest. So, you know what, I'm going to do these 2 movements this week. And then, next week comes. Well, this guy said the movement I was doing last week sucked, so I'm going to do this one now. And then, this guy said that one sucked, the other one I was doing last week, so now I'm going to do this one. And then you do the next week, the next week, the next week, and the next week. You're going to be a jack of all trades, master of none. Your chest is going to be puny and small, much like your brain and your testicles. But that's what we want. We want to make no progress whatsoever. Now, 3, taking advice from steroid users. You are a natural, at least for now, because as soon as you start making no progress, start plateauing, and listen to all these people, you're going to start taking steroids. But in any case, taking advice from steroid users and idolizing steroid users, that's what you need to do. They don't live in a different world than you. Totally not. Totally they aren't getting most of their gains because they're injecting testosterone into the butt cheek. Totally not. Okay? They're training in the same realm as you. They can do the bro split and make amazing gains. Just like how you can. And do a bunch of volume. And that is how you make progress. Because that's what the steroid users do, right? Now, Christian men need to start making progress in the gym. If you don't want to be like the type of guy who follows the guide I just gave, instead does the opposite like someone who's smart, click the description to join the movement. That is the Discord. Follow me on Instagram, like all my posts, because I am amazing. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Playlist in the description to change your life. Those are my call to actions. See you next video.